Based on individual need, Black Hills State University is committed to ever-evolving disability services.
Our goal at Disability Services is to help you become a successful student, whether that's for an associate's degree, a four-year degree, or a graduate degree. We work with any student at Black Hills State, and like I said, we really want you to be successful. There's a whole host of things that you can do to be successful, and Disability Services is just one part of that. We want you to be an integral part of the campus community. And in higher education, it is the student's responsibility to come to us and to identify themselves, to let us know that they need some help. Once they do that, it's a pretty simple process. You know, if they've contacted us in high school, we might have already had their paperwork sent in. We have a lot of students that are distance students. We can do a lot of this through phone, email, or regular mail. But we do need to talk at a certain point about what kind of accommodations are appropriate. Once we decide that, based on their documentation and what their condition is, we would give them accommodation paperwork that they need to then take to their faculty, and it'll say things, you know, whatever the appropriate accommodations are, whether that's extended time on tests or note-taking or seating preference or FM system or whatever it happens to be. It lets that professor know what their responsibilities are, and then the student also is required to sign an agreement that kind of talks about what their responsibilities are. And sometimes, you know, the faculty can do more than what we tell them they have to do or they should do. So it can be to their advantage to use their self-advocacy skills to talk to the faculty and about these disability issues.